I'll be outside here more. I mean, I really will. This is just kind of nice, relaxing, whereas when it was just mud, it was just not appealing to come out, and you know, it was more or less just let the dogs come out and roam a little bit, and that would be it. Now I can invite people over, and now it feels comfortable, and it's not hot when it gets, you know, as hot as it's been the last couple days. It's still cool to the touch. My dogs automatically, as soon as this was down last night and they came out, they automatically laid down on it. So, and they're not having a problem getting used to it, going to the bathroom, all that kind of stuff. And that's the process is so much easier cleaning up after my dogs. So it's awesome. This is awesome. I mean, it's so easy. It just looks so nice when I look out in my backyard now. Instead of seeing mud, I see I see nice green, and I love the rock part. I love it. It's awesome. I highly recommend 365 Custom Turf.